My beloved students of Strata Control Technology, MN6142. Sorry for little delay because of some problem with the key which was not opened in time by our security and other persons. That's why we had to bring the key from security office and open. So that's why this little delay. Now let us continue our lecture number 4 of Strata Control Technology. Before that, till last week, that is the initial 3 days, were dedicated to understanding the syllabus, and I hope everybody must have gone through the syllabus and selected their assignment topics. Regarding that, of course, we will discuss later in the middle. Now, let me know whether my voice is audible or not. Then we will go further, taking your attendance. I am downloading the attendance.
Yes, sir.
Let me know my voice is clear.
Sir,
Yes,
few
sir.
people are still joining, sir.
Okay, shall we
Only
wait for
19 people are
minutes?
there.
For 2-3 minutes, shall we
Yes.
wait, or meanwhile we can
Yes, sir. We
utilize
should
this time?
wait for
Very
few
good.
minutes. Sir.
Very nice. So meanwhile, this is all being recorded and it will be useful for those who could not join in time. They can see anytime, no problem. And anyway, some of you people started preparing nice YouTube and other drives so that it will be made available to everybody by your own friends through YouTube and other links. And now any doubts about your assignment topics, etc. You may also ask. We can utilize the time now. And any
Sir,
yes.
yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, we need to select the assignment topics and send it to you.
Very good. You are supposed to do. I think since our students, those
Yes.
who completed their 2-3 semesters, they know the procedure. That's why all A to Z procedures I have not told. You can exchange among yourself, but for the benefit of you, since you asked about these, let me
Sir,
tell you. Basically, what we used to do is, as I told you, what we do is all our uh, teaching. This is a learning based education system we prefer, and then we wish that our students select the topic of their interest from the total syllabus what we try to discuss. I am just since you asked about the doubt, let me just clarify. I am sharing the screen. Let me know whether screen is visible or not. Then so that once again for a few minutes, are you able to see the screen?
yes, sir.
Assignment topics and announcement of subcomponents of TA marks. This is mandatory as a part of our academic regulations. That is extract from class 7.2C of UG, PG, whatever it is. It will be for TA. Performance in home assignment, class tests, tutorials, Viva, OCR, quiz, they are to be considered. And already we discussed in the previous class 20 marks for the class quiz Friday 5 on 21st class, that is almost 50% of our lectures. And then of course second quiz we decide later. And home assignment, this is a preparation and submission of technical paper through email in international journal format on assigned topic from the syllabus individually. And regarding this assigned topic, this I wish that it should be based on your interest out of the syllabus, that is in the syllabus. And then if there is a similarity, then we will be anyway discussing and giving the suitable topics so that all topics will be different for individual persons. And that should be submitted before 25th day of online classes, that comes to be 15th. And later in general, what we do is that two part will be generally presentation of that, and that we will be deciding based on that COVID-19 period. Otherwise, after generally mid-sem, we used to do that. And our examination system also not just based on your simple classes or materials I provide, but more on what you learned and what you collected. That will be given more preference in the examinations. With pleasure, you will be writing that. Then that topics already I have sent these to everybody. I hope everybody must be having this. And here they will be writing their topic, or they will be telling to their CR. And since you people are from 116, 117, so many people are there. 116 may be a super senior, don't worry. But all are SCT students, and 220, and they must be new to the system of our NIT Rourkela, need not worry. And we have 717 group, means they are our dual degree with good seniority. So they also know how we have been doing it. And you can exchange among yourself. You have a group, you add all the people in that group, WhatsApp group also. And along with you people up to 62, we have very highly experienced persons as executive PhD scholars. Deepak from Indian Bureau of Mines, Anil from Singareni, Ava Madam from MCL, Ella Murugan from Adani Group or some other groups, Samir from Moil, Sridhar from Dalmia. Like that, we have people from very senior people having the positions of general managers and having more than 20-25 years. So this is a very rich group, I should say. We will be interacting. And in this, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, this is a procedure what we follow, and they can also ask any doubts if you have. This is the total system what is generally followed. That is the reason why I provided all this. So at least within a week after first week, then we want to have the total list so that these topics are decided. And how to decide and all, if you have any doubts, of course, we can discuss. For example, some people may be interested to work on related to some long wall, something like that. Example, Srikar is interested in long wall. Somebody else is also interested in long wall, right? Vishal, for example. Then in long wall, there are so many things where a selection of support itself is a very good strata control issue. And in long wall, there is a issue of even working under hard roofs, or with backfilling, or at depth covers, or with inclined seams, or with thin seams. Like that, there are so many things. So now if you have interest in long wall, you yourself will be selecting a topic by some type of a Google search and so many things. That's why I've given one week time after explaining the total syllabus. So if you have any further doubts, of course, we will be discussing in between also. And I hope now your students must have joined. Now shall we continue, or any doubts? If you have any doubt on this, let us make it clear so that we will go further. Yes. Any doubt on this? You are able to see? Because this should be announcement of the weights of different subcomponents of teacher assessment autumn 2020. No, it is spring, right? 2020 MN this should be spring. Okay, don't worry.
Sir, so good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, I am not added in this group, sir. First of all,
okay, you tell your number. No, you tell, because I made your CRs and so many people as this one as a owner, right? So you are supposed to manage yourself. But if you have a problem, tell me your numbers. I will add here now, and later you write, and you also tell evening or any other time. Then in the mainstream also it will be added. Now you tell your number. Sir, I think your CR is here. CR.
Sir.
Your CR, class representative.
I think I informed 2-3 times, sir, for him already, but no, he also not.
Mining engineer. Are you a mining engineer?
Yes, sir.
Acha, mining engineer from which batch?
Sir,
Mining engineer don't need so many types of reminders. Mining engineer works very fast. So your CR, who is a CR? Swati madam, Prabhu.
Nikhil Kumar, sir. Nikhil Kumar.
Nikhil. Where is Nikhil? Nikhil is here. Nikhil, you note down his number, and
Yes,
then
sir.
if you are unable to add, you also be in contact with me with all whoever are missing, and then send through WhatsApp and SMS, whatever are through email. Then that should be done. Okay, but at present now, who is supposed to be added for this class so that we will continue?
Sir, Naresh and Virendra Pal, sir. 1-4.
Numbers. Numbers.
Sir, Naresh is 1132. He's already added, sir. And one more guy is 1497, sir.
No, you tell the full number. 220.
Yes, sir. 220 MN 1497.
1497.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
1497 is Abhishek Raj Panda.
Yes, sir. Abhishek.
I just giving this call now. Okay, he will get into this, but later it can be added in that you can do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now he is there, right? So Panda, you are here, Abhishek. That means Abhishek was sleeping for 1 week. He should have followed up and got it done long back.
So,
Okay,
sir, I asked. Sir,
now let us continue with the class. So anybody else to be joined? Anybody else? No. Now shall I start our class? Are you able to see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So welcome to our class of Strata Control Technology, lecture 4 on this auspicious Monday, 21st December 2020. And sorry for the delay because of the key was not made available in time from the security people. That's why we had to run here and there to collect the key and open the rooms. Okay, don't worry. So now continue with the previous class. Already we learned about the different modules to be covered as a part of our classes. Then initially we said in the module 1, that is about discussions on geomining conditions, that is geological factors which are contributing to strata control problems in the mines. And these already must have been covered as a part of different other courses, but we will give a lot of emphasis on the specifically how it is contributing, and we will be discussing on that point, how it is contributing to the strata control problems with, as I told you in the beginning, with more reference to the coal mines because strata is related to coal, but in between we will also discuss something based on your response, interest and attentiveness and questions, queries on other aspects also, not to be limited to this as I already told you. Now this module 1 is also prepared, I told you, based on so many courses which were organized by us as a part of strata control cell to be established with reference to the 10th conference. Some of the important points you please note down. Every point I may not be writing here. The 10th conference of safety in mines, which was held during November 2007, is the origin of this syllabus, or I should say this course in India as such. Otherwise it was not there before anywhere. And here we conducted as a part of it so many courses, training, so many strata control engineers in India, starting from E1 to E8 groups who came here in NIT, and we went to different field industries like MCL, Singareni, SCCL, Southeastern Coalfields, and WCL, to name a few, as a part of World Bank projects also. That's why we have ample of data with us, and that is the reason why just I wanted to show you that we have a lot of courses conducted on these, and I wish our students should get benefit out of all these. So many course materials, of course, depending on the interest and attentiveness shown by you, you will be sharing. And this is one like recent trends in ground control techniques and organization of stator control cell for mines, which was conducted somewhere in November 2012. But preceding this, so many things were conducted based on. But the need, as I told you, is because of the recommendations. You can note down this type of points. Why even this syllabus and where geological factors and all what we will be discussing will come as a part of it. 10th National Conference of Safety in Mines that is held during 26th to 27th November 2007, and that highlighted the importance of strata control observations in coal mines. Although that necessity was felt even from the first conference of safety, but we could not do much until there is some alarming limit, I should say, more than 50-60%, you note down, my beloved students, about 50-60% of the accidents, especially in the coal mines, underground coal mines, were because of this type of strata control problems. That is the reason why we had to go for some more things than simple regulation or statutory stipulation. We are supposed to even amend, modify accordingly based on some scientific guidelines and then some issues which were faced by our forefathers or our predecessors in this type of dealing with this type of problems of strata control. So that is the basis. And I told you, I think I was also a part of this along with our CMD at that time of Singareni, who was a chairman, Coal India, also Narasimha Rao Saab, and DGMS, the Directorate General of Mine Safety, Sibal Saab. Those were the part of it. They were here in NIT Rourkela while imparting training programs. That is a privilege for our NIT Rourkela to initiate this. So there comes this need of strata control cell. You note down why it is required. That means some purpose is there, and that purpose is in every coal mining company. So this is supposed to be established, right? Established within 1 year. That is when I have shown in the previous slide that this started in 2007 November, and when it has come as a recommendation to establish, that means within 1 year period, by November 2008, all our Indian mines must have this strata control cell, and that was also missing. All those things I will explain you later. And the purpose of this is especially to assist our mine managers. And ultimately, a mine manager is technically responsible as far as the safety or stability, whatever you name, for the mines. And that is our regulation, our Indian mining law, or any federal regulations, whether it is in US or Australia, CSIRO, MSHA, Mine Safety, Health and Administration, in different places like Pittsburgh, Spokane, whatever are there. So these names, whatever I am telling you, note down so that you can refer to these type of issues when you can open in any website, Google, whatever it is. You will get a lot of information about this. And based on that, you can select your interesting topics of this strata control cell also as your assignment topic, as I re-emphasized again and again. And now this is for assisting our managers for formulation of, here the word systematic support rules is used. Otherwise, this should have been now with the Coal Mines Regulations 2017, which is a modified one. Here we should write it as, you please note down, I am not correcting now. You note down in brackets for systematic support rules, SCAMP, SCAMP, Strata Control and Monitoring Plan is supposed to be prepared. Otherwise, this SSR was as a part of Coal Mines Regulations 1957 of our Indian statute. Otherwise, now here I would like to tell you one more thing, my beloved students. Already I sent through WhatsApp and maybe a group WhatsApp, through mails or somewhere. The latest information I would like to bring to our beloved students. Just on Friday, that is 18th December 2020, the GDK 11 incline where we were the part of reintroduction of this blasting gallery method and its strata control, as well as underground mine atmosphere being monitored. So there was some type of fire, symptoms of fire, and that's the reason why it was closed on 18th December 2020. That is the latest information. I hope I have already communicated to many of you are in the group of WhatsApp and so many places about including the plan I have sent to you. And now if anybody is able to show that, they can keep it in the chat box, that plan, so that I will explain something more. Now from my side, I don't want to show that, and already I have sent to you through different means, and you can also open that and keep it so that we can discuss based on this. And here I am putting you one CEP question for the people who are attentive enough to understand what happened or what happens in our mining industry, especially in India, if not in the world. So what are the problems why this blasting gallery method is not being approved over even 5 years as a general permission for Indian conditions? What are the specific reasons? That is our continuous evaluation point or question to you, my beloved students. You can answer in the middle or at the end. That is number one question. Now, monitoring strata control method, that is the purpose here is to assist mine managers in formulation of SCAMP in short, and monitoring strata control measures. So what is the meaning of monitoring strata control measures? That means when you formulated any SCAMP or systematically what type of supports to be used based on some scientific guidelines that may be based on your rock mass rating developed by our CMRS. That time, that's why it's still in many books, it's written as CMRS ISM, Indian School of Mines, because there was one Professor A.K. Ghosh, and one scientist, our colleague scientist, Dr. N.M. Raju sir and Dr. Venkateshwar, who developed a part of it, and that is a name like that. Based on that type of scientific guidelines, whatever we frame, that is rock mass rating and whatever rock mass quality by Barton of Norwegian Geotechnical Institute, NGI Norway. It can be by anybody, whatever the means of some scientific guidelines we follow. And this, based on that, when you formulate any systematic support, then that should be monitored, and monitoring that strata control method. This is the meaning of this. That's why I kept it to make it more prominent to my beloved students. Monitoring strata control measures is very, very important to further development of strata control technology, that is in a scientific way to ensure the efficiency of the support system. That means when you design that the support system should have a capacity of 20 tons or 10 tons roof bolt or 30 tons hydraulic prop, or a chop in a long wall panel of 1200 tons or 800 tons. These are some examples. I say you note down some important points. In between, I will be telling you some of the mines names also, and that will help you even to identify, because these are some of the recent, maybe the problems of the industry or where investigations are in progress. And that's what we would like to discuss more, so that my beloved students will become expert or will become knowledgeable in solving the present problems of the industry, not just reading any books or from the library. Now, in addition to this, what is another need? Here, when you propose based on any scientific guidelines, this is a support to be adopted or the set of control measures, and you are monitoring that, but at the same time, your strata control cell should also have sufficient knowledge for suggestion of the specifications of any materials, whether it is a supporting materials or any of the monitoring instrumentation. All that information should be available, or should be, your team should be knowledgeable sufficiently to decide on what type of these supports, what type of these instruments are required to be procured. That is the reason why I have written here for procurement, and then supply of the quality supporting materials. All those things are very much required, which is missing in India, I can say, with the limited experiences, where we are supposed to improve all this. Now, going further, as I told you, where as a part of this short-term courses in imparting this knowledge, before imparting to our regular students, we trained so many hundreds of industry people. Already I told you where our very top persons were here at NIT Rourkela, including the chairmen, CMDs, and DGMS, Deputy Director Generals or Directorate General of Mine Safety, in this July 2008, 28 to 31. You can note down somewhere. This is the first of its kind done in India as such, to impart, to generate our experts in India for strata control technology, and later other institutions follow. And here, short-term course was held as I told you, in July. Trends in strata control techniques and instrumentation for enhancing safety in coal mines. And you must have observed here the July, I told you that 10th Conference of Safety, the recommendations were given in November. We expected by 2008 November, all the strata control cells should be ready. So this you must have appreciated the importance of this subject as such, and the need to understand more and complete the requirements of our industries in future to make it more. I tell you one more thing, as a part of our new education policy 2020 and Atmanirbhar Bharat, or Make India, whatever you say. This is there, and with that intention, with that motive and mission, I wish my students will select the assignment topics to contribute something. And immediately after that, we conducted so many courses. And here the part of that syllabus what I included in this course is also a part which were discussed and deliberated in detail with the experts in the mining industries and experts from different agencies like CMPDI, maybe Indian Bureau of Mines, and maybe all subsidiaries of Coal India and other metal and coal mines of surface and open cast mines both, and including Directorate General of Mine Safety. You can see here, next course 22nd of November 2009. We have all these proceedings. Of course, at that time, we don't have that culture of publishing as a part of the books. Just we have all this in the form of books available to us, and depending on the interest of our beloved students, that information can be shared also. And here, there are so many topics by these, Mr. Lakshman is a Deputy Director General of Mine Safety, and our Ikunuddin, of course, was with me at that time, where he was a co-investigator in my projects, many in 2006, that period, 8, 9, this period. Now he's in our other department, sister department, atmosphere, like that. He's our MTech scholar, Sanjay. And this influence of geological factors on strata control, this is one of the course chapter I prepared, and that issues we will be discussing along with the recent. That's why I wanted to show you this course is not just an hypothetical one, just like many for that matter, but that much importance is there. That's what I would like to give more emphasis on this, and I hope our students will take that with that much of interest in future. These are, of course, the topics which we covered as a part of the courses, and at different time, even in 2013, and like that, this recent trends in ground control techniques and organization of strata control, and even this is instrumentation for evaluation of ground control problems. At different times, we have given different emphasis, and here you must have seen in the title itself, instrumentation for evaluation of ground control problems and wireless sensor networks for mines, November 27 to 30. All I tried to keep it in November because our 10th conference to keep that in phase. And there you can see some topics also I have kept here just for the sake of our students who are very much interested to know more, and some topics like instruments and manpower for establishing purpose of this monitoring, laboratory methods, design of support systems, strata behavior in development depillaring, design of this in long wall or Bowden pillar, whatever, then geotechnical instrumentation, case studies, and all those things. This is a ground control system with rock reinforcement and course of action for strata control monitoring for underground mines. Different things are there as a part of it, not only in coal mines, my beloved students, as I told you, in metal mines, along with the then Director General of Mine Safety, Sri Sibbal Saab, we conducted here. You can see in 2000, I think December, at Hindustan Zinc Limited, what is Vedanta. So we have not left, we have not made any stone unturned in imparting this knowledge to at least all strata control or ground control engineers in India. And that much is the importance, and the topics with reference to metal mines were also covered. For example, like safe operating procedures and support plan applicable for working below ground at HZL mines, and annexures of practical use of these rock mass quality methods, whatever, like metal mines, you can see short heat support systems and underground metal mines, and in HZL, Hindustan Zinc Limited, in chapter 4 of these. So all these are available something like a book form, but only thing is we don't believe in this Springer or other things. We believe in our indigenous Make India as in line with our National Education New Policy 2020 and President of our CSIR, none other than our Narendra Modi Saab, leading our scientific community and also leading, and we want our next generation to lead. And as far as today's class is concerned, lead in the team whenever you discuss about geological factors contributing to strata control problems in mines. We will discuss about this further. Now I am just breaking here for taking once again your attendance or taking up any of your queries. If you have any queries, even you can write it here also, any queries, and your answer what I asked. Already I asked some query, and already you know very well, at least those who are new and who could not join, or who are late registration candidates, they also will be knowing it. So we give lot of emphasis on this process of interaction also, where I used to write who is answering this, and all these things are noted down in my diary along with your, even although we are taking your attendance here. So I used to maintain your attendance register as such. I think you must be seeing here, right? All these things are noted, and who is responding also is written. Everything is there that helps in your PA marks. Now, any of your answer for, you can take 1 minute, answer for your CEP 1, what I asked, you can give it. Meanwhile, I am just, there is a very good question. Why this type of short courses are not, you unmute and ask, Nitesh. Meanwhile, I am taking attendance. Nitesh to unmute and ask. Nitesh, are you having any connectivity problem? Nitesh has written something here. I wish our students also should be bold enough to interact. I think he is having some connectivity problem. No problem. Okay. So Nitesh has asked a very good question. Why this type of courses are not being organized? So for Nitesh query, his query is this. This is his query. So answer is, we can conduct soon after your return after COVID-19. Otherwise, many being conducted as a part of field nurse training programs. Even in 2019, I think June, July, 2 courses were conducted of 1 week each. Okay, right. So any other queries? Then we continue with our class, right? Any answer for that also you can give. Now, coming to the geological factors contributing to the strata control problems, here who from this group, my students of 62 plus somebody, may I know who is not knowing anything about geology in this group? Because based on this, I will orient my way of teaching or interacting with you. Otherwise, I consider that all my beloved students, they know what is mining geology, they know what is engineering geology, and also they know what is underground mining, I mean coal mining. And I consider with my previous videos or photographs, whatever I shared, discussed in detail about the investigations, I consider that everybody is having sufficient knowledge on the geology of the mines and also underground mining scenario. Let me know, so that with that in view, I take it for granted, then I will go further. Otherwise, if somebody is not having, because I know very well, there are non-mining engineers from different other branches. Of course, that also I promote as a part of our new education policy of 2020, that other engineers like electronics, computer science, biotechnology, maybe instrumentation, mechanical, civil, also they should come up and become masters in mining so that they can solve some of the more critical problems of our strata control. Let me know. You can unmute and tell me. Otherwise, I will go further. Those who don't know anything about the geology or the mining, underground mining, they can say, so that I will keep in mind to express, say something more about that. Otherwise, I skip those parts, considering taking for granted that in the previous semesters already they learned about it. Anybody who don't know about the geology of the mines?
Sir, please.
I consider that everybody knows it. If there is no answer, I consider that everybody knows about it, then I will go further. Okay?
Sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Otherwise, if there is no doubt also, somebody can unmute and tell me. That makes others confident that yes, our group knows about the geology of the mines. Our group knows about the underground mines. Then I will go to the factors, how it is contributing in a different way in explaining or discussing and sharing my experiences of little 3.5 decades, whatever. Somebody can unmute and tell me. Otherwise, I consider my voice is not audible.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, MTech people who are not from mining
Very good. How many?
may not be knowing.
That's what I wanted to know. How many are there like that?
20
10,
or 20, 25, 20 to 22 people.
No, 22 people are not there in MTech. I don't know.
Mm.
Okay, it's okay, it's all right. And I could get something. So while explaining, I would like to give some more emphasis also, keeping those persons also in view, but try to ask me any queries because these are simple issues, and you must have also already felt as if you are there with me in underground mines. I hope while explaining and demonstrating, showing my videography of investigations in ministry coal projects long back as a scientist, you must have felt that like that, and at least that must be there in your mind. Okay, right, I am going further. Now you see geological hazards. In general, what happens in coal mines? In coal mines, whatever problems we faced as far as strata control is concerned, we have seen so many type of roof falls, so many types of side falls, and these disasters, this led to even disasters also. But in short, I have given you some data, some reference to recently that fatal accident of Vakilapalli mine a month back, where we were doing investigation. That also I showed you. But to make it very short for all my beloved students, in general, that is the reason why in your presentation later also I wish that you should make it something like colorful like this, giving some importance. That's what I generally used to emphasize to make your presentations more, make it more attentive to others also. Here, roof deterioration is more common, and that may be even an immediate layer of, it can be, I kept it here, a part of the course material what I prepared for training that industry people. So if there are any type of some spelling mistakes and all, don't worry for that. You are intelligent enough to understand. So roof deterioration, this may be in the immediate roof of only few inches, means a few centimeters. Even that we call it as a scaling. That means even a 10 centimeter bar may just fall, but that may not lead to any fatal accident like that. But that may cause some type of injuries, some type of scratches on the persons, or some type of damage to the machinery, instrument, whatever it is. That's what we call as a scaling. And that may also happen, although you may be having different type of supports, including bolts, for example. Because bolts is nowadays, we made it something like a mandatory, I should say, in the suitable geomining conditions. And if you have bolts at 1 meter interval, 1.5 meter interval, now you try to go back to visualize what you have seen in your room. You consider that room as a gallery in the mine, in a coal mine, and then a roof of you can see on the top there are some roof bolts. Okay, then that may fall like a scaling of your cement or whatever of 1-2 centimeter. This may be because of the bands, maybe a carbonaceous shale band of only 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter, followed by another band, some clay band. It may fall. That is what is called a scaling. That may happen even if you have wonderful system of support with bolting and other things, and that may also fall in between the bolts. And that again depends on whether it is with a lot of cleavage planes in between, and also it may be with some zones like fault zones, shear zones in metal mines, which are highly disturbed. Then although you may be having so many bolts, that is the reason why now you could have recollect that mine what I showed in GDK10, Adriala projects, or some other places like GDK11 and other mines, including Vakilapalli mines and all Singareni. Why I'm giving that references, now at present they are facing some problem and we are involved in that investigation. That's why I'm giving, so that all the data A to Z we have with us. Now, I wish some of you people should take assignments on that type of topics of relevance at present problems of the industry. Then between the boards it may happen. That's why you must have seen somewhere we were having some type of a wire netting. And why that wire netting? It is not to beautify how it looks, right? It is not a celebration of marriage or something else, right? So that is to hold if there are some small type of that type of things, scaling that can be held back, or you can have even a W straps connecting the boards. That is a reason, right? So this type of complete failure in the form of roof fall that could run for hundreds of thousands of, that means it can happen. Already you have seen even 20 meters fall was there with 4-meter width in that Vakilapalli mine, what I showed to you. If you could not understand at that time, I can again show to you, no problem. But I wish that you should visualize what are the present problems of the industry. It is not the 100 years back or 50 years back Springer or SCI journal paper or books, right? We should know what is happening in India at present and what our industry is facing, and you should be ready like a KFC chicken to solve their problems when you join. And our industry should come back to you and ask for, we want person from NIT Rourkela, so that they know how to solve the problems. Now, and there are Mine Safety and Health Administration, MSHA. Already I have shown you that video of that, whatever was taken 98, of that NIOSH and USBM. And they defines reportable roof fall as any roof failure that causes injury that has reasonable potential to cause death. And this, we need not only follow this. Based on that, these are some primitive steps to understand, and based on that we have modified so many things. And when you open even coal mines regulation 2017, you will get a lot of definitions for that. Or even if you write somewhere from different organizations like Coal India Limited, or from any coal fields in India or in the world, you will get a lot of definitions. But these are some of the primitive things where from we learn either as a scientist from CMRS or Ministry Mines or whatever it is. That's why I try to put before you so that you can learn something more. This is a foundation for that. Over the foundation, you can build so many stories, structures, telltales, whatever it is. Right. Now it is 8:54. I should not take more than 2 minutes and giving you to summarize. Decide yourself. We will be summarizing it, and I will take 1 more minute only. Now that means this reportable fall, which is a part of a strata control problem caused because of the geological problem or the factors. This disrupts regular mining activity for more than an hour. They call it as a reportable fall. Then when it occurs at or above bolt anchorage, then that is one. If it is within the bolt horizon, why the word used above the bolt anchorage? There is some logic, right? Now I can tell you this as a second question, right? So you have sufficient time to answer why they use the word which occurs as a item 3, which occurs at or above the bolt anchorage. Now you think over and tell me as a question CEP2. Now, which impairs the ventilation and then which impedes the passage. And here I would like to stop for today, and we will go back to your attendance and as well as your answer for the CEP questions. Now, my beloved students, now who is answering? And before that also, you decide who is going to summarize. Answer for first and second. Second CEP also, I stated why roof fall by MSHA defined within the zone, within the, now you should unmute and tell me the answer. Otherwise it will be 0 marks for everybody as far as this is concerned. Within the zone of bolt. Why they mention like this? This is CEP2 question. If anybody is ready to answer, you can answer it within 1-2 minutes. Then we will go for the summarizing, because we have to close by 9 at the right time, and we give lot of preference to punctuality and discipline, of course, to the sincerity, honesty. That is a major 4 pillars of success for anybody in the world. So this is same for a stator control engineer. So if there is no answer, don't worry. If there is no answer,
Sir, for first question, I have an answer.
yes, you tell first your name.
So, the why BGM method is not suitable.
Who is answering? Who is answering?
Sir, Kadam Mishra.
Mishra. Mishra answering. Okay, tell.
Sir, in
What is your
blasting
answer?
gallery method, the percentage of extraction is around 75 to 85.
Very
So,
good.
not coal left in the group which can create spontaneous heating.
Right.
So
Anything more you want to add, or anybody else want to add something more?
Sir, not suitable for gassy mines.
Which one? Blasting gallery
Yes, sir.
is suitable for gassy mines.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? BG not suitable for gassy mines. If there is no answer, no, basically whatever this accident, this premature closure happened, it is not because of strata control problems. Initially it was strata control problems, you please note down, strata control problems which post initial introduction of blasting gallery method in Chora colliery, and also in our let me stop sharing it. In Chora colliery and these places in East Katras colliery, where our Jitendra Malik, who is one of my best friends, is area general manager. Yesterday he was talking to me regarding some other aspect of it. So there it was a failure because of strata control problem, and that strata control problems were solved with excellent support systems designed, maybe as a part of CSIR or a Ministry Mines, whatever. But later problem came because of the fire problem specific to that type of coal in Ramagundam area, which is very fiery prone. And that was the reason why this premature closure happened. And now we have taken a decision in consultation with all field engineers and DGMS that now we are not going to adopt, but we will be going for a continuous miners and other type of alternative technologies till we come up with something more. But that problem was not with strata control technology, but the problem was with the fire and inability, proper suitable technique for inertization of the GOF. So that was a problem. Okay, don't worry. Now, depending on your response, I would like to give so many things to you, right? I would like to take you near to the horse, near to the water, the knowledge of whatever we have, and that all depends on you, how you much take. You can take and you can digest and make it useful for our next generations and industries, right? So who is summarizing now? There is only 1 minute. Summarizing.
Sir, I am summarizing, sir.
Name.
Sir, Vanshaj Yadu.
Huh?
Sir, Vanshaj Yadu. Sir.
Vamshaj, yes, Vamshaj. Finish. Within 1 minute. Summarizing
Yes,
by
sir. So, sir, today's lecture started with some information about assignments, and after that, the basis why the safety control cell was set up in the 10 conference was laid. Some information was given about those, and then we proceeded towards the strata control cell, its importance, and within which period 1 year it should be laid, and given some importance and laid some rules for the engineers in strata control technologies. They provided some safety guidelines, procurement of materials, and to monitoring of strata control measures, as it is very important in mines which are not properly implemented in Indian mines was discussed. And then we moved to.
It's good, Vamshad. Nicely said already, I have written something here also. Now we should not cross our time given by our esteemed NIT Rourkela timetable, because I am also having a class for your juniors, beloved juniors, underground coal mining methods. And now all the best, my beloved students. Take care of COVID-19, and dhanyavad to your parents. Help them. They are taking a lot of pains to help you and build you your knowledge levels, to help our industries and to make our Atmanirbhar Bharat, make India. Jai India, Jai Bharat, क्या बोलना है? Jai Hind, Jai Utkal Janani, Jai NIT Rourkela. Now I am stopping recording, and this you make nicely as your